We're celebrating a new year and the biggest and best month for fitness businesses around the world on this episode of NPE TV. Out with the old and in with the new. It's time to take charge of your business like never before. But where do you start? How do you do it? Our new laser coaching segment answers your burning questions, and this month it's all about raising the bar, Coach Clint style.
Clint Barr here, NPE Success Coach, coming to you live for some laser coaching. Now, the question that we often get asked is, what should I pay my trainers? And the common mistake is to overpay them. So let's talk about client success principle number 8, margin equals profitability. That's right. For you to be successful, you must be profitable. And that starts with your margins. And at NPE, we recommend that your training sessions yield at or above a 70% margin. So if you're charging $65 or 65 pounds, euro, whatever, for a training session, then the most you could pay a trainer based on 70% margin would be $20, 20 pounds, or 20 euro. Okay? Now, if you don't like that and you want to pay a trainer more, then you need to raise your rates. But you don't want to pay a trainer more than 20 pounds if you're only charging 65, because then it eats into your profitability. You're the one, as the business owner, taking all the risk, paying for insurance, paying rent, utilities, etc., and you need to make money. So keep in mind, you always want to make sure you follow this principle. Till next time, this is Clint Barr. Take care.
If you have a burning business question and need your very own fitness fix, send them on over to NPEtv at netprofitexplosion.com, subject laser coaching. In the meantime, if you have more than just one question and want a business boot camp, NPE offers our fast forward events all over the world, from Scotland to Virginia. Between this month and next, there are 10 fast forward events taking place. However, sometimes you gotta rewind before you can go forward. So let's take a look at some great fast forward success from 2013.
Owning a fitness business or deciding to start one is tough. When you don't start with all these skills, and nobody does, you have to go through a learning curve. And Fast Forward is all about helping you do that faster. Most people who come to Fast Forward have been on our mailing list for some time. They've been getting emails, reading blog posts, but blog posts and emails aren't going to move you forward. There's nothing like sitting in a room and sitting down to focus on critical work that has to be done in your business.
We hit $10,000 2 months after going to the workshop.
Needless to say, it worked pretty well, yeah.
Do not hesitate, get in touch straight away, try something different. It could be the best investment of your life.
We can't wait to meet you, and we look forward to spending time with you soon.
Head on over to netprofitexplosion.com/events to register. Since January is the biggest month for fitness businesses, we know all of you have kicked your hustle into high gear. So for this episode, we're going to focus on the top 5 member resolutions posted by you on our Facebook page.
Number 5.
Maurice Williams plans on being a VIP by March 31st. We like that, Maurice. Literally. Woohoo!
Number 4.
James Dixon says he wants 25 new clients this year. Go for it, James.
Number 3.
Paul Fetters is going to open his 3rd location and work less. You can have it all, Paul. Easy as 1, 2, 3.
Number 2.
Tony Maslin has started an e-newsletter every Monday called the Monday Fitness Minute. You are minute to win it, Tony.
Number 1.
Lawrence Aniette McKay wants to go full-time with his training and be able to quit his other job by April 14th. He says that would make an awesome birthday present. We agree, Lawrence. You can have your cake and eat it too. The most common New Year's resolutions are work out more and eat healthier. We know most of you have the exercise part down, but did you know our very own NPE graphic designer Jillian Warwick has a recipe for healthy cookies? Quinoa breakfast cookies to be exact, and they're a favorite at NPE headquarters. We're sharing the recipe with you on the NPE blog. Thanks for watching this episode of NPE TV. I'm Amanda Salas, and we're excited to make new memories with our members. If you're not a member yet, don't hesitate. Start now with a complimentary diagnostic consultation with an NPE Success Coach. Looking forward to a year of positivity and prosperity.